Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda, the man of his message to people. Beginning. Born January 12, 1863 in Calcutta on Makar Sankranti Day. His name at birth with नरेंद्र नाथ. स्वामी विवेकानंद का जन्म 12 जनवरी सन 1863 में कलकत्ता में हुआ, मकर संक्रांति के दिन उनका जन्म हुआ। उस वक्त उनका नाम नरेंद्र नाथ दत्त था। फादर उनके श्री विश्वनाथ दत्त, ए वेरी सक्सेसफुल एंड डिस्टिंग्विश्ड लॉयर, एक वकील थे। मदर उनकी भुवनेश्वरी, एज ए वेरी पियस लेडी, प्रेयर ऑफ लॉर्ड वाज ए वे ऑफ लाइफ। वह हमेशा भगवान से प्रार्थना करती रहती थी और जीवन का उद्देश्य भगवान पे डिपेंड था। चिल्ड्रनहुड ऑफ अर्ली यूथ, नरेंद्र नाथ वाज ए हाईली इंसेक्टिव एंड ब्राइट इन द स्टडीज एंड प्ले। स्वामी विवेकानंद पढ़ाई में और खेलने में बहुत होशियार थे। He was the well-read and had a remarkable power of understanding and retention. उनमें एक बहुत रिमार्केबल जो पावर थी वो एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग समझ की थी। He completed Bachelor Arts degree from the Scott Church College of Calcutta in 1884. He was a great thinker and often to challenge existing customs and rituals. He is often wondered about this world and its creator. He extensively studies different religious and philosophical systems of our East and West. However, no one is could satisfy his curiosity, and he developed a feeling that the whole talk of gods was a myth. Transformation. Encounter with Sri Ramakrishna. Silver coin test. Vision of Lord Oz King, Bones and Gods. Narendra Nath spent about 5 years as a disciple of Sri Ramakrishna and learned everything concerning spiritually based on Advaita philosophy. Sri Ramakrishna passed on all his spiritual power to Narendranath before going into Samadhi. Narendranath takes charge of Ramakrishna mission at the age of 23, comes to know as Swami Vivekananda. Later life. Swami Vivekananda traveled across the country for Himalayas to Kanyakumari, studying and understanding the motherland and her problems. Episode with Maharaja of Alwar. Meditate deeply at Kanyakumari on the last bit of India for 3 days, had the vision of one India. उनका विजन था कि एक इंडिया हो। He also contemplated about going west. India had to be awoke, and that could be done only by making India message appreciated in west. Visit to the west. In 1990 sorry in 19 sorry in 1893, Swami Vivekananda sailed to America to attend the Parliament of Religious at Chicago. Episodes from his initial struggle in US, her sister and brother of America, speech, his sister and brother of America, speech in religious assembly. Swami Vivekananda stayed for couple of years in the US and in England, del- delivering an extensive series of lectures on Vedanta philosophy, preaching university and brotherhood in various university and congregations, set up Vedanta Society in Europe and England, returned to homeland. In 1897, Swamiji returned to India and his he led as the new Shankaracharya established Ramakrishna Mission on May 1st, 1897, which is dedicated to the task of teaching self-realizing and service to humanity. In established Believer met in early 1898 to be a permanent episode for the monastery and monastic order. Revisits the West in 1899 and 90 and established Vedanta Society in San Francisco. Teaching Swami Vivekananda firmly believed in the equality of mankind and prayed actively to remove blesses and explanation based on caste and create race and gender. Swamiji sought to bring back the spiritual awake of the nation by the instilling faith and periods for India and culture and heritage. Swamiji is widely regarded as the India's foremost nation builders. Many other subsequent national leaders, including Gandhiji, Nehru, Bindu, Arbindo, were influenced by his teaching on spirituality and service to the following. Swamiji contribution to world culture, new understanding of religion, bring between the East and West, new principle of morality and ethics, new view of man, contribution of Hindus, identify identity, unification, defense, meeting the challenge, new ideas for monasticism, and refurbishing of religious doctrine. Mahasamadhi. Swami Vivekananda attained Mahasamadhi on July 1902 at his Belur Mutt during meditation. He had a premonition about his 3 days before his death. He pointed out a spot for his ceremony, the one at which a temple in his memory stands today. In the morning of July 4, he have gave instruction concerning the future of Ramakrishna mission to one of his disciples. He had remarked to several persons that he would not live to be 40. His teaching and mission continuously to inspire us even after 100 years. Belur Mutt is the headquarters of Ramakrishna Mission and Mutt is situated over the 40 acres on the bank of river Hooghly. Ganga is for about an hour drive for Kolkata. Campus included temples dedicated to Sri Ramakrishna, Sri Sharda Devi and Swami Vivekananda. It also housed the main monastery of Ramakrishna Order, administrative office for the mission, resident training center for Vedic education, charitable dispensary to serve the sick and needy, service to men, its service to the Lord is the founding principle of Ramakrishna Mission. Today there are mission centers in almost all states of India, several other countries. Belur Mutt. Motto for Belur Mutt. Relief work and service to humanity. Relief work and service to humanity. Relief work and and service to humanity. Pulse and wisdom arise, awoke, and sleep no more. Within each of you there is the power to remove all wants and miseries. Pulse and wisdom march on. Anything that makes you weak physically, intellectually, and spiritually reject as poison. Pulse of wisdom. There is a no limit to power of the human mind. The more concerted it is, the more power is brought to bear on one point that is secret. Pulse of wisdom. Blames no one for your own fault. Stand up and your own feet. Take the whole responsibility upon your slaves. Conquers yourself, and the whole universe is yours. Let us work without desire for name or flame or rules our other. Let us be free from triple bond of lost greed to grain and angry. Take up one idea, make it one idea. Your life, think it, dream it, live that ideas. That the brain, muscles, nerves, every part of your body be full of that ideas and just leave every other idea alone. This is the way of success. A new pulse of wisdom. A few who-hearted, sincere, energetic men and women can do more a year than a mob in a century. Thank you very much.